Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Hello Baby monitor is not charging, it can be really stressful, especially when you rely on it to keep an eye on your baby. You might plug it in and see no charging light, or the battery just doesn't increase at all. Many users assume the device is faulty, but in most cases, the issue is something simple, like a bad cable, dirty charging port, or battery calibration problem. Since these monitors are used daily, small wear and tear can affect charging over time. The good part is that with a few quick checks, you can fix the issue and get your monitor working again without replacing it. Try these. 1. Check the charging cable and adapter for damage. 2. Try a different cable or power outlet. 3. Clean the charging port gently to remove dust or debris. 4. Leave it plugged in for 15 to 20 minutes to rule out deep discharge. 5. Restart or reset the baby monitor device. 6. Test charging and check if the battery indicator appears.